The present simple tense is a crucial aspect of business English as it is used to describe regular business operations,
routines, and general facts. It is essential for ESL students to understand how to use this tense effectively in professional settings. In this tutorial, we will explore the usage of the present simple tense in various business contexts and provide numerous examples to illustrate its application. First and foremost, the present simple tense is used to describe regular actions or habits in business. For example, I check my emails every morning, expresses a routine action that occurs regularly. Another common use of the present simple tense is to describe general truths or facts. For instance, the Earth revolves around the sun is a scientific fact that is stated in the present simple tense. In business communication, the present simple tense is often used to describe company policies, procedures, or schedules. For example, our office hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. is a statement that describes the regular schedule of a business. Similarly, we deliver products every Monday and Thursday is a description of a regular business operation. Moreover, the present simple tense is also frequently used to talk about prices, stock prices, or trends in business. For instance, the price of oil fluctuates daily, describes the regular changes in oil prices. Another example could be, our sales increased during the holiday season, which indicates a regular trend in sales. In addition, the present simple tense is used in business English to describe future events that are scheduled or planned. For example, the meeting starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow is a statement about a scheduled event in the near future. Similarly, the conference takes place next month describes a future event that is already planned. In conclusion, the present simple tense plays a crucial role in describing regular business operations, routines, and general facts in business English. ESL students should practice using this tense effectively to improve their communication skills in professional settings. By understanding the various contexts in which the present simple tense is used, and by practicing with numerous examples, ESL students can enhance their ability to communicate effectively in the world of business.